Hello, I wanted to show you how to navigate the SAM website. Once you've gone into SAM and you've created your account, you need to enroll in the course for the semester. So on the top of your screen, what you want to do is go into the sections menu and go into join a section. Okay, and you would find your instructor in here. In my case, it's Donna Simiel. So I actually already am in a specific section here. So this is the course that you would be looking for. So you would look for the semester and the name of your instructor from that join list. And you would go ahead and go through the steps to join that particular section. Okay, you might, depending on the courses that you're taking, you might have several sections in the SAM website. So if you're taking CIS 116, 111, or even I think 109 and 100 might even be using this. So you want to join the section that you're taking. Now, what you're going to do is go back to activities once you've joined a section, and underneath the calendar activities, you want to make sure that you're listing out the section that you just joined or whatever section you're going to work on. So you might have several sections in here. Now, my course, I have 10 different assignments, and I do not have due dates, so you will not see them in the actual calendar. But what you will see is underneath the section name, you will see that there are 10 assignments available to you at all times. So you can actually go through this and complete all the assessments if you want to in SAM right after each other. So what you would do is if you go into the link for these assessments, you will see that there are A through F SAM training, and there are 3 SAM projects that you're going to be completing, which will be done actually in PowerPoint itself. If you don't have PowerPoint on your computer, you'll need to either go to a computer lab on campus or go to a computer lab at like a public library or something like that, or a friend's house, and you can work on those assignments. Now, when you go in to do your SAM training, once you launch the training, you're going to tell it to start it. Okay, now there's 3 parts to this training. There's an observe where it will show you what to do. There's a practice where it will step you through and tell you what to do. And then there's an apply. And the apply is what you're actually graded on and what you get points for completing the assignment. So if you read the instructions and you know how to do it, you can go right to the apply. You don't have to do the observe or practice. So if I go to the first apply and it's telling me that I would go to the file menu, I would go to new and then pick blank presentation. Okay, now it will come up with letting me know that I have completed it, and I can hit task complete. And what it's going to do is it's going to mark me completed for that particular task. So if I go to this show task list in the left hand corner, it will show a check in front of that particular task. Now, there are 23 parts to this particular training, so you've got to make sure you complete all 23 parts. So it's a good idea to check this task list and make sure that everything is checked off. If you exit and come back in, it will keep track of what you've completed. So you can go back into the task list and then click on the next part of the assignment that you need to complete. All right. Once you're done, then you would go ahead and exit that assignment. Okay, now it's telling me I have not completed it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and exit it. Okay, and I'm going to close it. Okay, so now I can go into my activity list, and I can see whether I have, this one says it's still in progress, and it will let me know that I've started it, but I have not completed it yet, so I need to go back in. I can check the reports, and if I do view all reports, I can actually see what I got score-wise for that particular assignment. So it's very important to make sure you hit that complete option. All right, and then you do have the option of going to the gradebook. Because I'm a faculty in the course, it's not going to show me anything for the gradebook, but I would recommend that you go in and check that periodically. Okay, so I'm going to go back to activities for a minute, and I'm going to go into a project this time. So I'm going to go in and go to the Unit B project. Now the projects require PowerPoint, so I'm going to go ahead and start it. And it gives you a set of instructions that you need to download. It gives you a starting file to work with, and you want to make sure that you're using your own file. And the file will have something to identify you. So if you upload a file that was somebody else's, it will say that you're basically cheating and you're trying to submit somebody else's work. So you've got to make sure you download that file. That's the file you're going to work on. You want to make sure that you save it, and then you're going to come back into the same spot and browse and upload that completed file. Now, a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll open it, they make the changes, and then they forget to um, save it. So when they go to upload, they're uploading the original file without any changes to it, so they get a 0 on it. So it's important to make sure that you save that file, and then that's the file that you upload. And then once you've uploaded that file, you'll have the submit button available to you. Okay, so it's important to go back and check these, check the gradebook, check to see how you did on the assignments. Okay, so that's how you're going to navigate the website. Now, also don't forget to log out when you're done. Okay.